Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna do a first look review of my 2020 Capra 29 base model. Um, Starting from the top and working down and back, I've got I've already changed the bar and stem to the Renthal Fat Bar Carbon 35 lights with the Apex 40 millimeter stem. These bars are 760 wide. They come at that width already, so there's no need to cut them down any more than that. Um, Mated to the 40 mil stem. This is just the perfect combo. Um, what it does is it actually the handling is very neutral because your point of contact dissects directly with the steering axis, and it just makes for a very natural feel when steering. I left the stock ODI grips. I believe these are the Ruffians. That they've got a nice grip to them, pretty well damped. Uh, Guide RE brakes. So these use the guide levers with the code calipers. So I believe those are pretty much the Goldilocks, kind of between the guides and the codes. I almost feel like the codes have too much power, but I'm sure it's just something that I would need to get used to. Uh, One thing that I don't like particularly is this headset because it comes with this high-rise spacer, so there's not much adjustment, just this 2.5 millimeter spacer. Not too much of a big deal there. Comes with the RockShox Yari. This Select, which is not that great in my opinion. There's a lot of stiction in the system. It kind of made setting up sag a bit of a pain. Good thing about it is that you can easily get the Charger 2.1 damper upgrade for a relatively low price. Um, Going back to the brakes, these are 203 rotors front and rear. It's got the DT Swiss E 1900s. Very good rims for to come on a bike at this price point is 2300. Maxxis Minion DHR 2s front and rear. They're the 2.4s. Pretty good tires. They're the EXO, which is okay. I would like some more support and protection in the sidewalls, but it's fine for now. The compound is not the stickiest, but it's decent. They get the job done. The shock is the Super Deluxe Select. I've had no issues with it at all. Does not have a climb switch. I don't feel like this bike needs it. Even being a 170 mil front and rear, all mountain enduro bike. The dropper is YT's house brand dropper. They now make a dropper post. It works great. The lever looks like it's very thought out and very well made. My only complaint with it is this collar makes the stack height pretty high. The one good thing about that though is it's solid. There's a lot of bushing overlap in there, so it's a very solid post. Saddle is, it's got the YT brand, but it's made by SDG, I believe. It's got SRAM SX group set. Very heavy. It is the Eagle, but I don't feel like I need that kind of range, and I'll be replacing that, especially because of this bottom bracket is very questionable, being pressed in, and some of these components are made out of plastic actually, so that will eventually get replaced. It's got a 32 tooth chainring, which is good. I put on the Stamp 7. These are large. They come in two sizes. I got the large. I wear 10.5, so I'm kind of in between sizes on pedals. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I will be doing a full review video in the near future, so please subscribe, hit the notifications so you can see that when it comes out.